afternoon, YouTubers. My name is Mike, and welcome to Dirty Hoe Gardening. I'm doing this season-long tutorial to share what I've learned from YouTubers and other things I've learned myself. And as everyone knows, as you're watching other people's videos, some people's videos are very informative, and you learn a lot. Other people, I don't think they even know what they're doing. So we're going to keep it short or sweet for the first time. It's the 4th of March. I live in northeastern Illinois. We had a really nice day today. So I'm out here. Garden looks kind of trash right now, but I still haven't burned anything off. But I want to show you my garlic patch. And this is something I put in the fall. Sometimes you have to kind of when you're putting it in, make sure it's cold enough that it won't start growing, but not it won't warm up and start growing, or cold enough so it keeps it dormant. So right here, this is a patch I got going. I'm gonna pull it back now. For a nice day like today, I should have had it opened earlier, but I wanted to show you guys how I do this. As you see, I have a lot of leaf litter. Now you say, what are these things? Well, what these do is they keep the snow and keeps it from smashing down the garlic when it's trying to come up. I have leaves underneath this also, but if you didn't do this, it wouldn't work. Especially in this climate. I used to use 1x cedar screwed together. That worked. I found these at work. These were a lighting fixture, and I was able to cut them down and make these work. They're aluminum, so they'll never rust. But as you can see, this one is already garlic coming out of there. As you can see, it's a little light in color, but as soon as it gets I'll uncover this tomorrow and let it get, then I cover it back up at night when it gets too cold. But this stuff is very hardy, and most people are only thinking about gardening right now, and I'm actually out here doing it. And in a couple weeks, when this is greened up, these will be off forever, or for the season. I've even had it snow on them when they're about a foot tall, and it didn't hurt them at all. Now I've got 6 rows. You can see kind of the patch. It's laid out by the stakes. This is like I harvest this in July, and I'll probably get at least 50 pounds of garlic. So you can, and then this is organic garlic, so I hold back 8 pounds usually of the better toes, and then that's what I replant. But as you can see, it's ready to go. It's come up, and you can see how this is none of this is compressed, because that would have killed this stuff. If it can't get up, it wears itself out trying to punch through the I had probably a foot of leaves on the bottom, and then the tops, and then more leaves on top. So there's no way that this ground is ever going to freeze, but it does stay dormant. Well, folks, that's it probably for now. I got another tutorial coming up. I have a redneck greenhouse that I made last year out of an old trampoline, which really helps get started some of your cold weather stuff like lettuces and cabbages. But for now, that's it.